Till now we have seen how to find the web element by using attribute and text. Okay, so let's run this and we'll see okay whether it is working or not. Then we'll proceed for contents function. Okay, so let me use this. So first name I have identified, so let me run these all things whatever we have seen practically, then we'll go for the next. Okay, so so this is how we have used. Okay, so I'm entering Pankaj, then I'll just try to, okay, let me hold with some variable, so it will be very easy. So one shot I can perform all the action. I'll hold with the web element. Okay, so this is some txt is equal to something. Okay, so I'll just import this. So org open qa dot selenium, done. So txt dot send keys and just pass Pankaj 1. So first time I'm passing Pankaj 1, then wait for some second. So just I'll try one shot, all I'll try one shot. Thread dot sleep 1 for 2 second. Okay, 1 for 2 second. Wait for 2 second. Perfect. Then again I want to pass txt something else. Okay, but I'll not pass something, I'll not write xpath, something different xpath. Okay, and I'll pass something else. So this is first I way to identify. So txt here I just suppose 1, so this is txt2. So I'll just pass here txt1 and Pankaj 1. Okay, then I'll just clear it. Okay, after that I'll just, after 2 seconds I'll clear it. Okay, after 2 seconds I'll clear txt1 dot clear. Perfect. Then I'll try to identify the same field with different attribute. Okay, so what kind of attribute we have? So this time I have identified by using first name and different 3 attributes. Okay, or so this one also we'll see. So this time I'll pass this second. Okay, perfect. So this is second time. So txt2 dot pankaj 2. Okay, that's all. So these two end on or we'll see, and apart from that everything will work same. And then we'll see a separate example for after 2 seconds just link text also, the text also we'll see. So I'll just click here. Okay, I'll just click here once again. Okay, 1 second. So run. So again wait for 2 seconds, clear the second one, then I'm identify. Okay, this time link. Okay, I'm identify the link, so I need to pass that link address. So one shot I'm just trying. Okay, so what we have identified the link, so just let me forget account, right? So I'll just check this. I'll just pass here. So just I'm using all these look XPath and trying to run automate. Okay, so link I have to click, so link dot click. Perfect. So 3 XPath we have written and all 3 VM just trying. Okay, so let's see if I run this what will happen. So first this also should work, this also should work, and this also should work perfectly whatever we have identified till now. Let me run. Then we'll try contents function, how to use XPath by contents function, and where and all we can use contents. Okay, so see Pankaj 1. Okay, now clear it after 2 seconds. Now Pankaj 2, clear it after 2 seconds. Now click on forget account. Correct. So perfect, it worked perfectly, right? So this is how we have done so far. Okay, so this we have already done. Okay, so I'll just remove this. Okay, as of now we have seen all those things. Okay, let it be. Okay, now what we are going to see is how to use contents function, how to use contents. Okay, how to use contents. Okay, so for text, what is the syntax? So we'll just explain you one by one syntax also. So syntax is what? / HTML tag name. Okay, so whatever tag name will be there, you can write tag name. You know already what is tag name. Okay, then text function is equal to value. Okay, whatever value will be there, you can pass. Okay, text is equal to value. As of now we have seen so far. Then again here we can use same thing. If you are using attribute, then you can use attribute or end. Okay, like that. Okay, then this time we'll see contents. Okay, first when we should go for contents, we'll see the theory part little. So suppose here I have to pass complete text, then only it will work. So see, if I'm missing something, it will not work. If I'm missing from here also something, it won't work. So this will not work if anything will be changed from this question mark got changed or something got changed, it will not work, right? So if you're using text, first it must be text in document object model. Same for contents also, content, okay? So contents also, we'll see what and all things will be there, and we'll try it out, okay? So here, if in case of this is text only, complete text, but if a space will be there. So if while developing, designing this page, HTML page, front end developer, what they did, so just they given some space. So just I'll give explicitly here by editing the Facebook HTML. So I'll give some space. Okay, done. So now I have given the space. So what will happen, I have given the space. See, now I'm writing the forget account. Okay, I'm writing the forget account only text, but I'm not able to identify because this is breakable text. So this is known as breakable text. So this text, even I'm using text function, I'm passing complete text only, forget account question mark. See, forget account question mark, I'm not able to identify because this is breakable text. This is something called breakable text. So if any space will be there in the starting or last, it will not work. Okay, so if you'll give a space, so see, space if I'm giving, so then it is working. Okay, so you don't know how many space is there. Okay, you don't know, you can't predict. So in this case, if breakable space is there, then we should go for contents. Okay, then we should go for contents. So we'll see how contents work. Okay, so same double slash input HTML tag a I have given, then you have to write contents. Okay, contents function. Inside contents function, you have to pass the attribute. So attribute I'll take as of now text. Okay, as of now I'm explaining text, so we'll see text. So text, okay, text function, comma, then double slash, whatever text is there now you can pass. So I'll just pass forget. So I'll just see forgotten is there. Okay, so I'll just as of now I'll pass complete. So since I'll remove a space also, see space is there, then I also am able to identify. If the space is not there, however I am trying to, I'm removing. So if some text is there which is matching, so I'm able to identify. So see, I'm not passing complete forget account question mark, I'm passing only forget account. So I'm able to identify this. Okay, so here I can pass forget account question mark also, and if it is breakable space also, see, even it is breakable space also, even if it is breakable space also, I am able to identify. So in case of breakable space, we should go for forget this contents text. So if you want to go for breakable space, you should go for content text. Or if you want to go for substring, I don't want complete string, if you want to write only forgotten or account. So if you see, if I'll try with account, see I'm able to identify. So substring, this is okay, substring also I can use, and in case of breakable space also we can use it. Okay, so this is how easy it is. Okay, so now I'll try to click here by using this. Okay, so here I'll just try, so forget link, so this is, I'll just copy paste here. Okay, this time I'll just remove now this one, just remove around. Okay, so now this will just login, open Facebook URL and just click on that link by using contents text. Okay, so I'll just run this, it will just open and it will click on the forget account link. Just see, so forget account, yes, perfect, it worked perfectly, right? So since I'll change something, I'll just delete this account, now forget only, that's all. If I'll run, it will identify because I'm using contents text I'm using. Okay, so if contains this text means substring, then also it will work. See, okay, so perfect, so it worked perfectly, right? So this is how we can use contents text. Okay, apart from that, apart from content text, we have so many use of these contents. So let's see in the next lecture. See you in the next.